I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Myself, Dr. Sujit Ghosh from channel Dr. Ghosh Presents. You know, I am doing for last more than 1 year videos on homeopathy. There are 4 different playlists. Homeopathic therapeutics in Bangla, homeopathic therapeutics in English, homeopathic remedy picture in Bangla, homeopathic remedy picture in English. Now actually what I want to say is that you will get about 12 to 1300 videos on this subject. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Kreosotum. Full name Kreosotum, short name Kreosote, common name product of wood tar distillation. Source, chemical compound, chemical world. Pathogenesis Kreosotum. Kreosotum produces disorganization, ulceration and destruction of body parts such as teeth, skin, mucous membrane, etc. Putridity and acridity run throughout the remedy. Constitution of Kreosotum. Specially suited to women having dark complexion, for tall, slender, ill-developed, overgrown young ones compared to their age. That is overgrown compared to their age. Children with old-looking, wrinkled and scrofulous face, emaciated body having difficult dentition. Teeth starts to decay as soon as they erupt. Temperament irritable. Hot or cold, highly chilly patient. Miasm, sore and syphilis. Diathesis, hemorrhagic and scorbutic diathesis. Scorbutic means affecting gum. Mental genus of Kreosotum: dissatisfied with everything. Want things when given, throw away, want something else. Cross, willful and obstinate, stupid. Music causes weeping and palpitations. Children scream at night. Women fear at the thought of coition. Long for death. Children moan constantly or doze with half open eyes or cross and sleepless during dentition. Physical genus of Kreosotum: acts on mucous membrane of digestive tract, female genitals. Disorganizes blood, causes excoriation that burn like fire, discharges profuse, acrid, hot, foul, lumpy. Hemorrhages passive, brown, dark from small wounds. Scurvy. On the right hand side, this picture of scurvy is given. Cancer, gangrene, leukorrhea, lochia, marasmus, blackness of teeth. Great debility with miserable feeling, rapid emaciation. Complaints accompanying yawning. Children won't sleep unless caressed or fondled. Pulsation all over the body. Severe old neuralgias. Congenital syphilis. Actually, this picture is a picture of congenital syphilis. This is also, you can call it a melismatic figure, but congenital syphilis. That is syphilis by birth. This pamphlet I collected from internet. Scurvy symptoms. Scurvy, you know, there is a very common disease caused by want of vitamin C. We will not note it, ascorbic acid, and the symptoms are given here very nice fashion and prominently. If we see this bleeding of skin and mucous membrane, fatigue, depression, gingivitis, loose teeth, increased susceptibility infection, so many things. So I have noted, just keep it here for your observation to note the scurvy symptoms very in a simple fashion by schematic formation. Disease we know, but how the symptoms are, what are the symptoms, how it does look, you can see it. General models of Kreosotum: warts, dentition, pregnancy, rest, cold, eating, lying, summer, bad smells during menses, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., coitus, touch, sprains. Bitter, warmth, hot food, motion, pressure after sleep. Head symptoms of Kreosotum: dull pain as from board pressing against the forehead, buzzing in head, scalp sensitive, warts from combing hair, falling of hair. Eye symptoms of Kreosotum: hot, acrid, smarting tears, lips red and swollen,
lips red and swollen, suffering of eyes alternating the limbs, constant quivering of eyes. Ear symptoms: difficulty in hearing during and before menses. Nose symptoms: offensive smell and discharge, chronic clatter of pupil. Face symptoms of Kreosotum: yellow pallor with red blotches during chill or heat stage, that is particular stage of fever. Sick suffering expression, the face is sick suffering. Old looking children, look at the children face, old looking children. Burning pain worse from talking and exertion, better lying on affected side. Lips red, bleeding. Moisten lip frequently without being thirsty. Mouth symptom of Kreosotum: very rapid decay of teeth, putrid odor from mouth, black spot on teeth, foul breath, peg teeth, puffy, bluish, spongy, bleeding gums. Intolerable toothache during pregnancy, apathy or salivation during pregnancy, very painful dentition, that is of child. Taste is bitter, low down in throat. Throat symptom of Kreosotum: burning, choking sensation, bitter taste when swallowing foods, after drinking water. Stomach symptoms of Kreosotum: eructations, hot, foamy, hot and frothy, nausea, vomiting of food several hours after food, sweetish water in morning in pregnancy of undigested food. Vomiting, that is vomiting of undigested food. Cancer of stomach, icy coldness in stomach, hematemesis. Hematemesis is actually coming out of blood through mouth. Craves smoked meat, cold foods. Fasting, increased troubles. Dare not remain fasting. That is, whenever his stomach is empty, there is severe pain. Disgust for food during convalescence. Convalescence is a period of recovering. Painful hard spots on stomach. Abdomen symptoms of Kreosotum: distended, diarrhea, stool bloody, dark brown, leonteric, offensive. Green stools during dentition. Children struggle and scream during stool as if they would go into fit. Sore pain in abdomen, worse during deep breathing. Constriction of rectum with uterine cancer. Urinary symptoms of Kreosotum: as of a lump passing down on bladder. Dreams of urinating. Dreams of urinating is very important symptom of Kreosotum. The single symptom, if a person reports that he is very often notices this symptom, dreams of urinating, you can directly give Kreosotum. You cannot, do not require to collect other symptoms. It is so specific, dreams of urinating. Urination hurried, involuntary when lying. On coughing, offensive. Can urinate only when lying. Enuresis in the first part of night. It means involuntary pass of urine. Frequent copious urination during day, diabetes. Drink much but pass a little at a time. Male symptoms of Kreosotum: burning in genitals during coition from coming in contact with acrid vaginal discharge. Penis swollen next day. Prepuce bluish black with hemorrhages and gangrene. Female symptoms of Kreosotum: menses profuse, intermittent, lumpy, worse when lying, better when sitting or walking. Menses worse from lifting, overexertion. Leukorrhea, gushing like bloody water, offensive, corrosive, causing itching and staining linen yellow. Violent pain during coition. Burning in parts, followed by discharge of dark blood next day. Violent itching of vulva and vagina, worse during urination. Stitches in vagina make the patient start. That is, his body jerks up. Logia, lumpy, offensive, intermits. Cancer of erosion of cervix. Dwindling of mammary with small, hard, painful lumps on the mammary. Sciatica right side. Note this. Sciatica on the right side. This sciatica nerve starts from hip and went up to heel. The whole nerve is in inflammatory state when sciatica pain is there. Sciatica right sided. Legs feel numb, stiff, cramp in feet. Heart symptom of Kreosotum: stitches in heart region, pulsation in all arteries when at rest. Respiratory symptom of Kreosotum: hoarseness with pain in larynx, better from sneezing. Cough with little expectoration or copious purulent expectoration after every cough after influenza. Winter cough of old people with heavy pressure on sternum. Deep pain in chest. Burning as of hot cold in chest. Gangrene of lungs. Periodical hemoptysis. Hemoptysis means bleeding from the mouth. Hemoptysis. Neglected phthisis. Phthisis is tuberculosis. Old name phthisis. This name is not in vogue today. Back symptoms of Kreosotum: dragging pain in back extending to genitals and down the thighs, as if everything would come through vagina, with urging to stool and urination with leukorrhea. That's predominantly this is symptom of the ladies. Burning in sacrum, scapulae as if braced. Burning in sacrum. Sacrum bone is this is sacrum. This is sacrum bone. It is written here sacrum. Next coming scapulae as a bruise. Scapulae's picture is not given here. So extremity symptoms of Kreosotum: pain in the hip, left hip, with sensation as if leg were too long when standing. Pain in left thumb as if sprained. Skin symptoms of Kreosotum: violent stitching, moist, scarfy eczema on eyelids, face, joint, back of heads. Small wounds bleed freely. Ulcers break out and heal. Bleeding after caution. Urticaria after menses. Sleep symptoms of Kreosotum: disturbed caused by restlessness of the whole body with sensation of fatigue and pain in all limbs. Tosses about whole night without any apparent cause. Dreams of urinating. Dreams of urinating is a very, very important symptom. This single symptom, if you are confirmed this symptom, that you are confirmed by the reporting of your patient that this symptom is there, you directly go to Kreosotum. No need of other symptom. Such an important symptom it is. Fever symptoms Kreosotum: cold sweat. Complementary: sulfur. Related medicine: arsenic, carbolic acidicum, graphitis, nitric acid, sorinum. With this the video ends. Thanks for listening, viewing. Any problem, write in the comment section. I would certainly attend.